I'm Daniel Salatin with Farm Like a Lunatic, and this class is entitled How to Catch a Predator.
That's funny. Hold on. Gotta start again.
This class is all about trapping. If you've got things eating your poultry and you don't know what they are, we've got instructions of figuring out which predator you've got, which trap to use to get it. We're gonna go in-depth, step-by-step, how to prepare your traps, which kind of traps to buy, from livestock guardian dogs and electric fences to all different types of traps. Whether you have a fox to outsmart or a raccoon to capture, this class will help you get the right trap in the right place for the right predator. Join me, Daniel Salatin, and Farm Like a Lunatic as we look at all the different steps to be successful at trapping and protecting your flock.